guys, so I have some new Sherpa blankets to show you today. These are so warm and cozy. So these blankets are made by Honeymoon Home Fashion, and these are some ultra thick Sherpa throw blankets. And if you can even see this, these are so soft. And what's so special about this fabric is that it's made to look like it's fleece from sheep. So this isn't actually any sheep fur, but this is made from a polyester, and it's often used as a type of blanket. And already I want to wear one of these because it's cold, and these look like a great suitable fix to that. On the edging, there is suede to add an extra, oomph to this blanket to make it even softer. And these blankets have a very high-end look. You could put this in your living room and add a nice little, pillow to it and make it look really, really cozy. Unlike fleece, this is a lot more durable. This holds up a lot longer, especially if you have pets or you need to wash it a lot. Like washing, I'll show you what the instructions are, or at least I'll read them out. You machine wash cold separately. You have to use the gentle cycle. Don't bleach. Tumble dry low, and do not iron. Keep that in mind when you want to clean this. And they come in two colors. You have the gray right here, and you have the nice khaki. As you can tell, these are nice, big, fluffy. I can't even fit this on the full screen. It's so big. See? And then you flip it over. It's even better. And it's so nice and comfortable and cozy, and you feel like you're hugging a bear.
Hugging a bear.
That's it.
That looks comfortable.
Yes, it's very, very comfortable.
Very warm.
Very warm too. This is nice. You can feel it on both sides. It's very high-end and feels high-end too. So here is a closer look at the blanket. As you can tell, it's soft, fluffy, and just so soft. I don't have a blanket like this, so I really like this a lot. So as you can tell, this is reversible, so you get some double-sided, soft, fuzzy warmth that you don't have to worry about having to wash one because you messed it up or something like that. It's great, it's handy. This blanket measures 50 inches by 70 inches. It's very thick, but it's also lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around and bring with you anywhere you need to have something warm and cozy like this. Now this is wrinkle resistant as well. And that's nice because this will always keep its nice fluffy sheep-like appearance. And it's not thin like a flannel or just your average suede blanket, or fleece blanket if anything. It's nice, fluffy, thick, warm. I'm already feeling a lot warmer than I was earlier. There's so many uses for this. You could take this out for a nice walk, have it wrapped around you. You could take it camping. You could probably take it on a beach at night too, if you wanted. Or you could keep it on your bed, in the living room. There's so many places you could have your blanket and be warm at the same time. So, please check the description section below for more information on this Honeymoon blanket. And please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Like this video and keep your comments coming. Thanks for watching.